I decided to make my own desk. I didn't have a desk before because I'm kind of always moving around. I haven't had much permanent furniture for 5 or 6 years, and I just moved back to my hometown of Okinawa, Japan. Before this, I was living in Tokyo. Before that, I was living in Spain. Before that, I was going around different other places. So you kind of can't really carry furniture with you. So now that I'm settled down, I thought I'm gonna make my own stuff. I'm gonna become a professional woodworker.
I think I'm really bad at this.
By the way, if you are a professional woodworker, please don't watch this video. You might throw up. This is strictly for people who do not know what they're doing, but also should not take my advice because I don't know what I'm doing either. I'll put some photos up of what kind of desk I wanted to make. These are the designs that I thought looks good. Looks like I can do that. Okay, so let's see what happens.
I have no idea what I'm doing. So I just came back from the wood store. I got some of these 3 short square sticks, some long circular ones, a board for the top. I was kind of inspired by Scandinavian type of Scandinavian design, like a minimalist. I'll just put some pictures up. So I figured out that it's not going to be easy to make a desk. I thought it would be, but it's not. I had some kind of big ideas in mind, but I don't think I'm ready because this is just my first time doing it. I had 2 of these, so I was gonna make like a shelf, 2 of these sandwiched with 2 shelves. Yeah, it looks really hard. So I've been looking at the viewfinder the whole time, sorry. I have to go to the store because somebody thought it was gonna be easy to do woodworking. I have to buy a saw, I don't know, maybe some brackets, sandpaper. Yeah, okay, so let's go to the store. Should I just buy a desk? Should I just get this? Yeah. Okay, so got a saw, got all the rest of the stuff. Let's get cutting. Apparently this is the best way to do it. If you feel like it's not, then tell me a better way. If you like get nervous watching me, then just like don't watch it. It's not going well so far. We did it! By the way, this is called Hand Boy. Alright, so we've got our 3 pieces of wood. I want to do this and put it onto the tabletop. And then we'll figure out how to cut the legs. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. I don't know if it would be easier if I put the legs on this thing first or put this on the desktop first. I think I'm just going to put this on the desk so I can feel like a little bit of accomplishment. It's been like 6 hours now, just like trying to get stuff to make this desk. I'm itchy, I'm kind of hungry. Let's do it, like worry about the legs later. First I'm gonna screw the small pieces of wood into the long ones. I'm gonna put them in brackets. I don't know if this is the best way to do it. This is really like tedious. You really gotta go through so much stuff. I'm really learning a lot. Right, so I'm just gonna find the middle and then drill into that. I know that somebody is just like having a heart attack right now. Because I also feel like this is kind of unsafe. So there must be like some kind of safer way to do this. But I can't think of one right now. But I feel like I know I really like should move my fingers. Kind of dangerous. I just don't know how people are doing this. Ooh, it's hot. It didn't go in. Just a little bit, but okay, so now it's set to go backwards. No, I can't get this out. Alright, let's try again. Okay, so one bracket here, one over here. And then do the same thing for the other piece of wood. Okay, one thing went alright. I think I'm really bad at this. Thought I was gonna be good at this. I'm really bad. Oh no. Why did I do this? It's supposed to be like this. Alright, well I guess I have to just put this one here. So I'm just gonna leave this screw in for now because I don't feel like taking it out. Is there a reason for this? I don't understand. Do you think it'll be okay? My desk is gonna break in like one day. I thought I was doing pretty well on that one, but I didn't. Now the other one is also not very good. I might quit soon. Okay, so this did not turn out okay. I thought it was gonna be good. I guess the plan is take all this stuff, take everything apart, get a good night's sleep, and then try again. I just looked at a picture of a desk and I was like, it looks easy. All of these are wrong. Like this one, these both. This one's okay, but you know, it's still, you can't use it. I guess the only thing I got accomplished today was like sawing. I bought a tree, a little tiny tree. That's it. I'll look at some plans and then I'll try again. Okay. Hi guys, day 2, round 2, another day, another dungaree, you know that saying? So today I'm gonna put the legs on the desktop. So I got what's called a smart regyoza. It's just a bracket, it's just a leg bracket for the table. I opened it up and this is what I found. You have this bracket and then you put this bolt in there. And then it comes with 4 screws, so you put them in there on the bottom of the table. Instead of the bolt, so use this piece of rubber, put a screw through this, and then from that screw, put it in here. So that way I can just put the legs on underneath the table. So I have to sacrifice my idea of making slanted legs because they didn't have any slanted leg brackets. So it's just gonna be a regular table. It's not gonna be like stylish. But it will be functional and it will be something that I need to use every day. So let's get to it. So I'm pretty proud. I'm gonna finish off the rest of these, and then, yeah, I don't know, I've already said everything that I need to say. We finished all of our legs. I'm really kind of bummed that I couldn't make these legs tilted out this way because I thought that style was really cool. Oh, my battery's about to die. I'm gonna give it a charge and then I'll come back and finish up my desk. Gonna measure these and then do a bit more sawing. I guess the simplest thing to do would just put them on the corners. Hopefully these are gonna work out. I don't know if they're gonna be too short and then my legs are just gonna fall off. But I'm a piece of shit anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Looking pretty good. Whenever I flip this over, I don't know if it's gonna be even. It looks like a desk. It looks like one. I'm pretty happy about it. I did it! Okay, so if you can see what we have here, it's just like a nightstand that I put my computer on. Very, very, very wobbly. Not very good. Not good. It's just not good. Hi guys, and welcome to my desk. The desk is not very good. It's pretty wobbly. It's not what a desk should be. Maybe I'll give it another try someday. I've got some takeaways about whether or not you should do woodworking as a beginner. So my advice is don't do it. If you don't have any woodworking tools, you just can't do it. So it's not just something that you can pick up and be like, yeah, I'm gonna make a desk today and I'm gonna make a YouTube video about it. If you are a beginner and you have like a relative or a friend that has woodworking equipment, then yeah, do it for sure. But if you don't have friends and there's a global pandemic going on where you just can't really interact with anyone, then don't do it. You might hurt yourself. When I was watching my footage over again, I thought, oh my god, is she gonna hurt herself? Oh no, don't do that. You can hurt yourself if you do that. And I was just watching myself do all these like dangerous things, and then I thought, she really shouldn't be doing this. In total, I spent $30 on wood, but I ended up not using about $5 or $6 of the wood that I bought. And then also I had to buy that saw, which was about $10, and each of those brackets cost about $2. So let's do math. 48. So I spent about $48 in total, and I had to go to like 3 different stores. Took some time. Was it fun? Not really. It was kind of frustrating because I wanted to make a specific design. So it's kind of disappointing that I couldn't do that. But I might, you know, like in the future, once I become a crazy woodworking enthusiast and have a little building full of like electric power tools and saws and stuff like that, then I might, you know, try to make another desk that resembles the kind of desk that I wanted. Oh yeah, and also I wanted to mention that like I really want to make more furniture because I think I kind of like it. Like even though it wasn't that fun, I really like it. I like making my own stuff. So I feel like I might end up becoming, yeah, some like crazed woodworking enthusiast and then spend a lot of my money on this kind of stuff. It could turn into an expensive hobby. I follow the beginner woodworking subreddit on Reddit, and all of the projects that I see on there look like they were done by professionals. How can a beginner woodworker just make a perfect, what's this, chopping board? A perfect chopping board, you know, many different types of wood all together, different colors, like an intricate pattern, and it looks so nice. So I feel like this is really beginner. So if you are watching this and you think like, oh, even the beginners look like professionals, I would be kind of skeptical. Just like on the bread subreddit where people are making like sourdough. It's really hard. Making sourdough is hard. Like if you want to make a good loaf, it takes a long time and a lot of practice and like a lot of tries. And then people say like, oh, this is just my first try. I mean, it could be, but what are the chances? So my main takeaway is if you're a beginner with no tools, don't do it. If you're a beginner with tools, try it out. Okay, well, I guess that's the end of that video. I will see you guys next time for another project. Bye-bye.